Warning: this video does contain valid EAS tones. Trizzy Animations, the creator, is not responsible for what you do with these EAS tones. If you play these tones in air, it could trigger an activation of the real EAS and you can be fined or even arrested for misusing these tones. Don't be dumb. Also, this video does contain brain terms, just a heads up, lol.
We here at Arrow's Computers have rolled out a new computer. It is Arrow 5.0. This revolutionary computer can do many things, like browsing the internet and play high-quality games. This is a cheap computer coming out at $99.99. This computer is a good
This is an emergency government message. On August 2, 2025, the world is going to have an apocalypse. This will be known as National Mustard Day. On this day, all the fluffy-haired kids will yell in sync, "Mustard!" 6-7. Mango. To survive, these kids take shelter in a secured basement and put on noise-canceling headphones. Don't let them take you and make you be one of them. They're dangerous. If they take you, there is no escape. You will never be the same again. If a family member is taken by one of them, don't help, they're already one of them. This will expire at 12 a.m. August 3, 2025.
Okay, it should be safe in here. Wait, what is that noise?